Hey, here's another one. Something I've noticed, it's a bit of a problem with the editor's choice on Etoro. So over here, I'm in trade markets now. I'll go to copy people. Alright, you see here at the top, here's like the editor's choice. Alright, and these are people, the different investors you can pick, the different people you can copy, and what they're trading. And you know, it shows you their stats here, 87.36, 48.30. You know, it looks nice, there's all these different people. But I noticed something about them, which I just wanted to show you because I noticed it. So this guy here is Jay. Look at Jay. Jay's awesome. I actually copy Jay. He's phenomenally good. He's on Twitch as well. He live streams on Twitch, twitch.com/JNemesis. I think Tuesdays and Fridays he does a whole live stream in the afternoon and shows you about how he trades. Super useful. I watch it. Should be watching it now, but I'm making this. Anyhow, so Jay, let's see what Jay trades. I go to his portfolio. He's trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, AMD. So look, cryptocurrencies. Yay, we love cryptos. And all these, look, they're all sort of tech stocks. Activision, Tesla, Facebook, NetEase, Amazon, Nvidia. All right, they're all tech stocks. So his main area of focus is American, US technology stocks and cryptocurrencies. Okay, which is awesome. Let's go back to the editor's choice. Let's try this guy, next guy. So he's doing really well. Look at him, 48%. Portfolio. What's he actually trading? So there's a US tech stock, US tech stock, US tech stock, Facebook, Apple, tech stocks, tech stocks, tech stocks, tech stocks, more tech, technology, stocks, and some cryptos. All right, it's fairly similar to Jay. Let's go back. Let's try this guy here, Wesley. So Wesley is great, 87.36%. And he's doing really well, look at that. So 2015, 7.05, 148 last year, 148% in a year, 35% this year. He's undoubtedly really, really good. All these guys are good. And he's investing in US tech stocks, and tech stocks, and tech stocks, and tech stocks. And you see what I mean? And Ripple. So cryptos. All right, let's go back and we'll try another one. I think you see the pattern there. I think you see what I'm saying. So Alex Plesk, again, another trader. These guys are all phenomenal. All these guys, I am learning how to trade. Don't trust me, blah, 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 blah. I'm showing you what I'm learning, just bits as I go along. And these are the guys to kind of copy. So let's go to his portfolio. Surprise, it's tech stocks, tech stocks. There's some Russian tech stocks, which is different. But the same thing, all right? And look, all of these are all US tech stocks, a few different ones, but they are all US tech stocks. So this is all the way through. Something I've noticed about the editor's choice on Etoro. One thing is that, you know, there's that diversification. So it's good to diversify your portfolio because it reduces your risk. I'm not doing it, you know, but I know that this is kind of the correct thing to do. Diversify your portfolio. So that if any one area of stocks gets hit, like tech stocks, which they all say are in a bubble, they all say they're really highly overvalued at the moment. Everyone's kind of waiting for it to have a correction. Correction is the word for bad news, basically, if you're a buyer. It means that it's going to go down. That's what they mean when they say, oh, there might be a correction. It means it might drop in value. So if you're trading only in one part of the economy and that part of the economy has a correction, then you're exposed to a lot of risk. You know, potentially if 100% of your stuff is in the US tech stocks and the US tech sector takes a tumble, then 100% of your stocks are taking a tumble. So what they say is the really good investors is you should diversify a bit. You should have hedges, they call them, you know, things which sort of, if this goes down in value, then that one will go up, and a little bit of a diversification, so you're not completely overexposed. And look, certain people, like all these guys, are all great traders. I believe that. I believe they know what they're doing. But just from the editor's choice on Etoro, they seem to have picked the same trader again and again and again and again. People who are doing the same things. And I know it's because, like, the US stock market has been doing really well for like 7 years. For 7 years, the US stock market has just been going up and up and up. It's mainly because of, I think it's 4 or 5 stocks, Facebook, Amazon, I don't know what N is, Netflix or Nvidia, Netflix probably, and Google. I mean, the 4 or 5 major tech stocks in the US have been responsible for lifting their entire stock market. It's not like a broad thing like all American stocks are going up. They're not. It's really the technology sector. So what you're seeing for the last 7 years is people investing in the technology sector just keep making money. They just keep making money. It's like you can't lose. But I think that Etoro could have done a bit of a better job in showing us people to copy who are maybe not just technology. Maybe they're good at agricultural stocks, but agricultural stocks haven't been making a lot of money. That's why everyone's in technology stocks, but it still, you know, leaves people like me who just think, all right, well, maybe they know best. It leaves us a little bit exposed, you know? And so I think they could have done something to pick people who are a bit more diversified. So I noticed it, so I thought it's something to point out, you know? It might be good if I go and find people who are actually trading something else and show you a list of them as well. But it's hard to find because everyone's trading tech stocks and cryptos. Cryptos are now like the new gold, you know? People are investing in that, saying that, well, if everything else goes down, cryptos will go up in value, which is how people thought about gold. You hear this thing about gold bugs. Those are people who are always saying, buy gold, the world's going to end, the economy's going to crash, fiat money, which is like paper money, that's all going to end, buy gold, buy gold. And a lot of that is now being said of cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and stuff. It's been going up over the last 4 days. It's been shooting up again since they had their hard fork in Bitcoin. But I just wanted to point that out. The editor's choice, you know, it might be useful to try and find people who aren't just trading cryptos and tech stocks. Maybe to try and find people, and I'll look, and if I find some, I'll show you. People who are trading maybe something a little bit different, you know? Because at the moment, they seem to be showing only people who are trading the same things. It's a little dodgy, Etoro.